Gray with Sognia, and today I will be telling you how to make a delicious pumpkin cider. For that you will need about a half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of pumpkin puree, a half a cup of coconut milk, about a half a teaspoon of vanilla, a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a half a teaspoon of ginger. And also have here about a half a glass of all natural apple cider. And optional, a touch of cinnamon. So what you'll need to do is to combine your pumpkin puree, coconut milk, your sugar, your ginger, your vanilla, and allspice. And we're going to add about 1 1/4 cups of water to this. Now what you'll need to do is stir that thoroughly, and we're going to boil this for a brief while until it boils, not a rolling boil, just to heat it thoroughly. So you have your completed mixture boiled and ready to be combined with your apple cider. Once you've combined the two, it's optional, but add a little whipped cream. Make it a lot more enjoyable. And if you desire, sprinkle a touch of cinnamon on top. And there you have it. Your pumpkin cider. Thank you for watching. This is Daisy Gray.